Welcome back, Primary 6. Today we want to learn two lessons in Unit 3. We studied before the relation between geometrical shapes. Today we want to discuss the visual pattern and volumes. A visual pattern is a consequence of shapes or symbols according to a certain rule. Let's take an example to clarify this definition. Describe the pattern, then complete twice. This is the first pattern. Try to complete this pattern. Look at here, we have a black triangle in each of them, but its location is changed. Yes. We can notice that this black triangle moves down, then right, so then up, then left, and so on. Let's take another example. Here, for example, we have circle up, triangle down, triangle up, circle down. Then again, circle up, triangle down. So, how can I complete this pattern? Yes, by repeating the same shapes again. Here, now triangle up, circle up and triangle down, and so on. So the description of this pattern is the repetition of this shape. Okay, let's discuss the volume. But before we discuss volume, I want you to remember that the solid is anything occupying a room in the space. Okay, so the solid is anything occupying a room in the space. It can be geometrical solid, such as many solids we have studied before, like cuboid, cube, sphere, cylinder, and so on. They consist of geometrical shapes. Or a solid which has no definite geometrical shape, like car, a piece of stool, for example, calculator, and so on. Okay? But what is the volume? The volume is the magnitude of this room which the solid occupied. We said before the solid occupied a room in space. The magnitude or the value or the numerical value of this room is the volume. So we have units to measure this volume. We have, for example, centimeter cube. It's the volume of a cube of each length 1 centimeter. By the same way, a decimeter cube is the volume of a cube of each length, yes, 1 decimeter. Like here, we have a cube, its edge length is 1 decimeter, so its volume is 1 decimeter cube. Also, the meter cube, the volume of a cube of each length, what? 1 meter, of course, and the millimeter cube by the same way, the volume of a cube of each length, 1 millimeter. Okay. Here is how to exchange from one unit and another in the volume. We have, for example, cubic meter or meter cube. Cubic meter equal 1000 cubic decimeter. So if you want to convert from meter cube to decimeter cube, just multiply by 1000. Okay? If you want to convert from decimeter cube, this is the smaller unit, to the greater unit, meter cube, you will divide. And by the same way for centimeter cube and millimeter cube. Okay, I want you to know that decimeter cube is the same as liter. We will discuss liter later in the capacity lesson. Okay? Okay, let's take some examples. Here, for example, find the volume of the following solids. Consider the unit of measure of the volume is centimeter cube. Here, for example, figure 1. And we have another figure here, figure 2. Let's start with figure 1. I want the volume of this figure, of the solid. Let's count the cubes. How many cubes here? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So The volume here is 5 centimeter cube. Let's move to figure 2. Count with me, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So the volume of this solid is 16 centimeter cube. Let's take another one. What about this cube? Here we have 3 layers. Each one consists of 9 cubes. Here we have 9 cubes, then another 9 and another 9. So the volume is 27 centimeter cube. Okay? That's all for today. Next session, we will discuss the volume of the cuboid. We will learn how to calculate the volume of a cuboid. I hope you have understood our lesson today. Thank you very much and good luck. Good luck.